What is going on, everybody? Lillian Finance is having a breakout right now. You go look at the charts and you see it up. I think it was about 30% on the day. I think it was about 250% on the week, 300 and something percent on the month. Like it's really having a breakout. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
Everybody listen up. Let's get it. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid.
All right, guys, you can see right here, this Lillian chart is out of control, 41.49. It's up 25.36% on the day, 246% on the week. If you needed to make a play, if you needed something big to happen, you found it right here. $29.5 million market cap. Volume hovering around 300,000 in a 24-hour period. These are fabulous numbers. And if you come over here and you look, we're not doing a deep dive, by the way. We're just going over what's happening on Twitter, just getting an idea of what's happening here. First of all, 10,000 holders, finally. The foundation website is now live. 100 trillion Lillian giveaway. New family surgeries have been identified. Additional announcement, plus partnerships, plus tier 1 exchanges. And it's my understanding there are 2 tier 1 exchanges that are about to be announced. And you can see the enthusiasm right here. I am proud to announce that the Lillian Bay Foundation has selected its next vascular malformation surgery for such a wonderful child. Ari Bernstein, MD, will share a lot more of this in the upcoming week. So we have a doctor. I'm very grateful. I'm grateful to announce the Lillian Bay Foundation has selected the next child for surgery. I want to thank everyone for their support, and I want to thank everyone on the team for all their hard work. Now, guys, the purpose of Lillian Bay at this point is to create from their foundation a medical blockchain. A medical blockchain is so needed in this industry. And just to give you a very quick, non-time consuming answer, if I were to change doctors right now, I would have to take my file and I would have to carry it to a new doctor who would then have to read my file in sitting down or have somebody read it for him so that somebody in their office was aware of what was going on, instead of just having it transferred by blockchain from one facility to the next. And that's crazy to think that in the year 2022, something like this can't happen. So there are partnerships and there are agreements that are happening. Lillian is 80x away from its all-time high still. That's where this token is right now. You saw it during the launch. You saw how high it flew and that it came down, that it had a consolidation, and now it's on the move again. Now, remember, we were just talking a couple days ago. I think I did a video 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, where we dropped to zero. And I said, maybe you can hold this. Maybe this zero can stay. We looked at it and it was right over here. We had this nice little run. Then it brought back down, hit that, came back to where it was. And then from there, I mean, guys, just take a look. This is not something that's happening overnight. This is something that's been happening for days upon days upon days. Now, the other parts of this is, can this be sustained? Well, the answer to that is going to be no. It cannot sustain where it is right now. But here's the thing. It's no, because I'm talking about retail investors. If, however, there are medical investors who are investing a little bit of money into this project because they believe in it and they are helping to prop this number up, then this absolutely could be where it stays. We're looking at the 1 hour chart right now. We're looking at the 4 hour chart right here, and we're seeing that it's just as the market is moving, it's continuing to really get on a run. Now, what if this thing overnight gets to 150, 200 million market cap? And I'm not saying that it will, by the way. I'm not telling you that this is one of those ape opportunities. I'm saying that, this is one of those opportunities that you might be watching that may end up playing out that way. Might end up playing out that way. What you're really seeing is this. What you're really seeing is a group of people who love life, who are fighting for kids, and that is an incredibly admirable thing. Now, you guys know, because I've told you over and over again, I'm not a huge fan of just donating money and giving money away. This, however, this is to save a life, number one. And number two, this is not their use case. The use case here is a medical blockchain. And they are doing everything that they can to bring you tier 1 listings. 2 are coming. So this is a very big deal. This is a very good project. Let me move on here. This is a project that went through some things. This is a project that went through the drama from Saitama, that overcame the drama from Saitama, that is now making a name for itself out here and is continuing to perform and continuing to deliver for its investors. There are a lot of investors in this project who were absolutely wrecked and devastated from the first day. And guess what? They're being made whole day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. These guys are getting another opportunity, and their investment is creating value. And that's all you can ask for. That's all you really want. You want value to be created, and that's what they're doing. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I am always right, and I am all in on Lillian.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways